Yo, look at this, the Spike Volleyball modded version. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. Everything is free. So let's get into the video. And yeah, this is a new mod I found. It's pretty updated and everything, but it's on hexmods.com. So let me just type that in for you guys. This is the site. Alright, so on this site, we're just going to type in Spike, and you should see it. There it is. So press on it, press the download button, and the mod will start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there is like a verification you gotta do. It's pretty easy. It's just like download 2 apps, complete instructions. They're 100% for free. They're from official app store. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, complete 2 free app surveys. So there's gonna be like 4 of these to choose from. They all have different like instructions. So you can see Family Island says reach level 10, but then we got Evertail. You just got to run it for 30 seconds. So pick what you like, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store and you just download it. Now, I already did Family Island one, reach level 10, but if you don't like that one, like, I don't really care what you do. Just make sure you do 2 of them and make sure that you complete the instructions, because there are people that like download the apps and they don't do anything on it. So you just press tab to install. This one's reached level 5. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you're probably going to have like completely different apps. But yeah, it's just super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is so insane. And it's like updated and everything. So yeah, peace out. You can see they got AI you can talk to, which is pretty wild. So yeah, Spike Volleyballs 2025 hack. Peace out.